In this video, we will show you how to open a Vanguard Brokerage account. If you guys want to get started with Vanguard, you can use the links down in the description. First, navigate to the Vanguard website. Now scroll down to learn about this account and its features. You'll see easy steps to open an account. You'll need your bank account, routing number, SSN, name, and address. Next, click the Open an Account in the top right corner of the site. Then select Sign In if you are new to Vanguard. To get started, click the Open a New Account option and continue. After that, select how you manage it. For yourself, select Invest on My Own. It'll give you an overview of what's next. Following that, click the Select an Account option. Now choose a goal, person, and relevant account type. You can open one account at a time. Once you are done, the account will be created. So that's how to open a Vanguard Brokerage account. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Vanguard. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.